got so much to lose. Wonders what his wife and his kids gonna say, but it's a common situation for someone in his shoes. Ever since his 18th birthday, he's been out here on the clock. He's been moving up and inside the white man's machine. And for 20 years, he worked hard to make it to the top. Still the boss man couldn't say why he chose Joseph Lee. And no one says a thing around here in this small town. We're all scratching for the same dirty workman's pay. I never lived as long as he, but I grew up with the same dream. I hope the Lord will forgive me if I look the other way. When the world turns to revolution, it turns around each and every day. Maybe someday we can find a new solution for the changes that the world goes through today. The world is upside down, things don't seem to make sense, and no one sees the clock as an unwise. And the greed and the lust and the gain fuel the filth of the machine. As the right thing to do becomes the last thing on our minds. But the world turns to revolution. It turns around.